Have you heard the news? Something is happening today. Do you remember that lonely night that you went away? Now something is changing. Now look at what you've done. I want to apologize, so pick up your beat and run. Now my darling, my lover, oh my baby, won't you tell me you're coming home? You're coming home.
My name's Daniel McGeever. I come from Edinburgh in Scotland. I'm a singer-songwriter, and I'm here in Zaragoza, and this is my first time here in Zaragoza. It's a nice place.
Let's put our words into music. Get on board.
So I'm here in this big, beautiful theatre. This is a really special place to be in. I used to play in theatres when I was a younger boy. I used to do some acting, but I have to say don't think I've ever been on a stage or a place as beautiful as this.
The old town, the new town, the ruins underground. The city I come from is the only life that I've known. The memories we share were the good friends we've known. I'm gonna get in touch with them someday, or write upon the wall a letter to them all. Been a long time since the last time. Maybe next time we'll turn it around. We're spinning, we're still winning, though these days we're slowing down. So if the truth be told, even though I've always known it, I've only recently become aware. My oh my, how time flies, but I ain't too surprised, for life's a game, or so they say, that could end up 1,000,000 different ways. Sounds like a game that I'd like to play.